now I'm going to tell you about the Egypt math that they were using in the early 300 years before Christ. So the Egypts were using a type of picture writing called the hieroglyphs, and the hieroglyphs were based on the numbers of 10. So they were just using from at first, that's the beginning, numbers like 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. And when they was writing those numbers, they look like this. And now these are all backwards because of my camera. So this was 1, this was 10, this was 100, this was thousands, and you see this one thing there is 1 million. And when they were writing a number, or like in this case 2053, they were doing it like this. As you can see, that number is those, and that one plus that one is 2000. And then if you adding those with those, it gets 53. So there you have the number. And then in the later times, when they were creating they invented a new thing called papyrus. In our case, it's like just paper, so they can write on, and then you can like practice and do more stuff. So they also invited a new number called heretics, and that gave them the possibility to use the original numbers like 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5. And in my way, as I tried to paint them, it looked like this. So here's just one of them of numbers that I tried to paint off, as you can see. And the Egypts were first of to come up with and calculate fractions. And when they are calculating a fraction in Egypt style, they were doing it like this. So in this case, I'm taking 23 divided by 8. So here you have the things. If you sum, to do this, you sum together the right part, so it gets 23. And then you should sum their opponent number in the left part, so you get the answer of 16. So then you have 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, it gets 23. And on the other side, so the actual number, the actual number of all this is, and then you have 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 and plus 1 divided by 8. So that was how they were calculating it in fractions. And to do their multiplications, they were like doing it like this. In this case, I should multiply 14 by 9. And then you don't care about these ones up here, they're just standing there. Then you should take sum together 8 plus 4 plus 2, and it gets 14. Then sum together the opponent side, 18 plus 36 plus 72, it gets 126. And there you have the answers on that too. And as I said, this was practically the most. The Egypt was first by doing the fractions, and they were creating a new way of using numbers, and it have a very big influence on how we are using numbers and on our mathematics. So the Egypt was like ground builders to what we have today. And I guess that's all I have. So bye.